Deep within the heart of Africa lies the Odzala-Kokoua Forest Massif. It sprawls across the Republic of Congo, a country often overshadowed by its larger neighbor, the Democratic Republic of Congo. Odzala-Kokoua is a place of vibrant life and ancient rhythms. The forest massif is a vast expanse of untouched wilderness. Its heart remains largely unexplored, holding secrets yet to be uncovered. This makes it a place of wonder and scientific curiosity. Odzala-Kokoua is a crucial piece of the Congo Basin. The Congo Basin is the second largest rainforest on Earth. It acts as a massive carbon sink. This process is crucial in mitigating the effects of climate change. Odzala-Kokoua's preservation is therefore not just a regional concern, it is a global imperative. Odzala-Kokoua is often called the green jewel of the Congo Basin. The forest massif shimmers with life. It boasts an astounding array of flora and fauna. Its biodiversity is among the highest on the planet. The forest is a tapestry of towering trees. Some reach heights of over 200 feet. These giants create a dense canopy that filters the sunlight. Below, a world of shadows and dappled light supports a rich understory. This understory teems with life. Vines snake up tree trunks. Orchids bloom in bursts of color. The forest floor is a mosaic of fallen leaves, fungi, and insects. This vibrant ecosystem provides a haven for countless species. It offers a glimpse into a world untouched by the modern world. Odzala-Kokoua is a biodiversity hotspot. It is home to an astonishing variety of plants and animals. Many are found nowhere else on Earth. This richness of life is a testament to the forest's age and isolation. Scientists have only just begun to catalogue the forest's inhabitants. New species are discovered regularly. Over 10,000 plant species are thought to exist within the massif. This includes towering hardwood trees, delicate orchids, and vibrant fungi. The animal life is equally diverse. The forest echoes with the calls of over 400 bird species. Colorful parrots flit through the canopy. Shy forest elephants roam the undergrowth. Gorillas build their nests in the trees. The rivers and swamps of Odzala-Kokoua teem with aquatic life. Each species plays a vital role. The trees of Odzala-Kokoua are the architects of this ecosystem. They provide the foundation upon which all other life depends. Some of these trees are giants, reaching heights of over 200 feet. Their massive trunks are buttressed for support. These towering trees create a dense canopy that shades the forest floor. The canopy also intercepts rainfall, slowing its descent and reducing erosion. The trees of Odzala-Kokoua are not solitary giants. They are connected by a network of vines, lianas, and epiphytes. This creates a complex, three-dimensional structure within the forest. This intricate architecture provides a multitude of habitats for animals. Birds build their nests in the canopy. The trees are the backbone of the forest ecosystem. The forest is alive with sound, but it is also a place of profound silence. The air hums with the drone of insects. Birds call to one another through the trees. Monkeys chatter and screech. Yet, beneath this symphony of sound, there is a stillness that runs deep. The forest floor is often silent, muffled by layers of fallen leaves and decaying wood. Fungi spread their delicate networks through the soil, breaking down organic matter. The silent work of these organisms is essential to the health of the forest. The future of Odzala-Kokoua depends on our understanding and respect for this intricate web of life. The Odzala-Kokoua Forest Massif is not only a haven for wildlife, it is also home to indigenous communities. These communities have lived in harmony with the forest for centuries. They have developed a deep understanding of its rhythms and resources. The indigenous people of Odzala-Kokoua view the forest as a sacred place. They depend on the forest for food, medicine, and shelter. They have developed sustainable practices that ensure the forest's health for generations to come. These communities possess a wealth of traditional knowledge about the forest's plants and animals. Their way of life is a testament to the possibility of coexisting with nature. Protecting the forest also means protecting the cultural heritage of these indigenous communities. The Odzala-Kokoua Forest Massif is a stronghold for forest elephants. These elephants are smaller than their savanna counterparts. They have adapted to life in the dense forest. Their paths crisscross the forest, acting as natural corridors. These elephant paths are vital to the forest's ecosystem. They create clearings in the undergrowth, allowing sunlight to reach the forest floor. This promotes the growth of new vegetation, providing food for other animals. Elephants also play a crucial role in seed dispersal. They consume large quantities of fruit. The seeds pass through their digestive system and are deposited elsewhere in the forest. They are essential to the health of the Odzala-Kokoua ecosystem. The Odzala-Kokoua Forest Massif is home to significant populations of western gorillas and chimpanzees. These great apes are highly intelligent and social creatures. They play a crucial role in the forest ecosystem. Gorillas are primarily herbivores, feeding on leaves, fruits, and stems. Their movements and feeding habits help to disperse seeds and maintain plant diversity. Chimpanzees are omnivores, supplementing their diet of fruits and leaves with insects and small mammals. The presence of these great apes is an indicator of the forest's health. Protecting these endangered species is crucial to ensuring the ecological integrity of Odzala-Kokoua. The Odzala-Kokoua Forest Massif is a testament to the delicate balance of nature. It is a complex web of interconnected ecosystems. Each species, from the smallest insect to the largest elephant, plays a vital role. This delicate balance is under threat. Deforestation, driven by logging, mining, and agriculture, is fragmenting the forest. This fragmentation isolates populations of animals, making them more vulnerable to disease and other threats. Poaching is another major threat, driven by the demand for bushmeat and animal products such as ivory and skins. The future of Odzala-Kokoua depends on our ability to address these threats. The Odzala-Kokoua Forest Massif, with its breathtaking biodiversity and ecological significance, faces growing threats. Deforestation, driven by logging, mining, and agricultural expansion, casts a long shadow over the region. The illegal wildlife trade, fueled by the demand for bushmeat and animal products, further endangers this fragile ecosystem. Recognizing the urgency, a global call to arms has sounded to protect this African Eden. International organizations, government agencies, and local communities have united in a shared mission to conserve Odzala-Kokoua for future generations. Conservation efforts have focused on strengthening park management, supporting anti-poaching initiatives, and promoting sustainable livelihoods for local communities. Education and awareness campaigns aim to highlight the importance of biodiversity conservation and the role of local communities as stewards of the forest. The establishment of protected areas, such as the Odzala-Kokoua National Park, represents a significant step towards safeguarding this invaluable wilderness. The indigenous communities living in and around Odzala-Kokoua have long been the true guardians of the forest. Their traditional knowledge, passed down through generations, provides invaluable insights into the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Recognizing the importance of local involvement, conservation efforts have increasingly focused on empowering these communities. Community-based conservation programs aim to provide alternative livelihood options that reduce reliance on activities that threaten the forest. These initiatives include promoting sustainable agriculture, developing ecotourism opportunities, and supporting craft production using locally sourced materials. By involving local communities in conservation efforts, these programs foster a sense of ownership and responsibility, ensuring the long-term sustainability of these initiatives. This collaborative approach recognizes that protecting Odzala-Kokoua is not only about preserving biodiversity, but also about respecting and supporting the livelihoods of the people who call it home. Conserving Odzala-Kokoua is a continuous battle against complex challenges. The illegal wildlife trade poses a constant threat to the forest's inhabitants. Combating this requires strengthening law enforcement and disrupting trafficking networks. International cooperation and addressing poverty are crucial. Stories of hope and triumph are emerging from Odzala-Kokoua. Local involvement and strengthened management show positive trends. Wildlife populations are recovering and the forest is healing. Odzala-Kokoua, a legacy for the future. The Odzala-Kokoua Forest Massif stands as a testament to nature's artistry, a realm of towering trees, vibrant ecosystems, and a symphony of life. This green jewel of the Congo Basin is a global heritage, a beacon of biodiversity. Each species plays a crucial role in maintaining this natural wonder. The forest and indigenous communities are deeply connected. The story of Odzala-Kokoua is about its wonders and challenges. Amidst challenges, hope shines through the dedication to protect this treasure. The ripple effect, global impact of local actions. The fate of Odzala-Kokoua is inextricably linked to our own. As a vital carbon sink, this vast forest plays a crucial role in regulating global climate patterns, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and mitigating the impacts of climate change. Protecting Odzala-Kokoua is not just an act of conservation. It is an investment in the future of our planet and the well-being of generations to come. The conservation efforts in Odzala-Kokoua demonstrate the power of collective action. Local communities, government agencies, and international organizations have united in a shared mission to protect this natural heritage. The lessons learned from Odzala-Kokoua extend far beyond the borders of the Congo Basin. Our collective responsibility, answering the call of the wild. The call of the wild echoes from the heart of Odzala-Kokoua, urging us to recognize our interconnectedness with nature. It is a call to action, a reminder that the fate of this pristine wilderness and indeed the future of our planet rests in our hands. Each one of us has a role to play in ensuring that Odzala-Kokoua continues to thrive for generations to come. We can support conservation efforts by contributing to organizations working on the ground in Odzala-Kokoua. We can make informed choices as consumers, opting for sustainably sourced products and reducing our ecological footprint. And we can use our voices to advocate for policies that protect biodiversity and address the root causes of deforestation and climate change. By embracing our collective responsibility to protect this natural treasure, we can ensure that the symphony of life in Odzala-Kokoua continues to resonate for generations to come. A tapestry of hope, weaving a brighter future for Odzala-Kokoua. As we conclude our journey, let us carry with us the lessons learned and the beauty witnessed. The challenges are real, but so is the determination to overcome them. The future of Odzala-Kokoua is a tapestry woven from conservation and community engagement. The resilience of nature is a beacon of hope. With our support, the forests will continue to stand tall. Let us be inspired by the legacy of Odzala-Kokoua. The time to act is now, for the sake of our planet and future generations.